Cloves are great for men, mainly because a small amount of cloves can increase testosterone, which is why cloves work as an aphrodisiac for both men and women. In Asia, many men use large amounts of cloves to enhance their sexual performance and to prevent premature ejaculation, but large amounts aren't necessary because, according to a study, cloves raise testosterone when it's eaten in small amounts, but actually lowers testosterone when one consumes too much of cloves. So in this video I am going to show you the right amount and how to use it to get the best results. It will improve erection, strength, and also boost testosterone. Clove oils are available in the market, but it's not in the pure form, so avoid using that. So let's begin. We only need 2 cloves. Boil these 2 cloves in 150 ml of water for about 7 minutes. Let it cool down and drink the water before going to bed. Use this remedy for 2 weeks, although you will see the result in first 3 days. Some men who have trouble becoming father because of low sperm count can use this remedy. It is the best cure for this problem. They can spend more time in bed. It prevents from premature ejaculation, increase the sperm count, and act as a testosterone booster. This slightly sweet spice increases blood flow and body temperature. Cloves also increase energy, and ingesting them leaves you sweetly scented. All of these serve to create a powerful sexual attractant. Cloves are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, manganese, and vitamin K. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video.